Hi, so today we are going to start taking some portions of the program and learning some tips for coding our app. So we open a new file in Python and we just trying to program something, learning a strip. So if we enter first name, for example, first name and equals we don't put anything, we don't consider anything, we print, but as we are testing the strip, so we need to know the length that we are going to be evaluating. So the variable that we are going to be evaluating, so for that, print length this name is, right? So from there, length first name and close it. So if we run, first name is, well, we are going to run different times, but first time, this is my name, it has only 4 characters. We run, it's going to be 4, but sometimes we might commit a mistake and do like this. 5. I give it a space. So how do we solve the problem? We are going to create another variable, first name, new, input, enter your first name again, and instead of that we use strip. So we print the length of this new name is, comma, we just call the variable first name new, but we are gonna be calculating the length. So length first new, and we close. Okay, so if we run this, okay, first name, and we leave in a space accidentally. It has 5, which is not right. And this one we are gonna leave the same. 3, we're gonna give him 1, 2, 3 spaces. 2, 3 spaces, enter, and it has 4. So we run again. 1, 2, 3, so it's gonna be 7. If we do the same, 1, 2, 3, probably from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and it's still 4. So the conclusion of using this method is that it helps us to get rid of the spaces, and we get exactly what we want, which is the content of the answer. So that's the tip. So when you do inputs of data, any data that you have, age, name, last name, you can still use strip for that. Thank you. See you next.